My name is Mayada Ibrahim. I came from Egypt 7 years ago. I saw AMECO online, did my research. I went to several websites. I realized that this company is so good. They sent me a couple of quotations and I love it. I love the way that they are approaching their clients. So AMECO offered for me like a bundle, which is the roofing, solar, and insulation. My experience with AMECO as a whole company, it's amazing. The only company that I didn't have problems with is AMECO. Starting from my sales rep, he's amazing. Best quotation ever. They're like, even if you have any questions, several people come back to you, and a lot of people, they're asking me about the solar and the roofing and the insulation, and I always recommend AMECO. Thank you, AMECO. I want you to keep it up.